Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to day 30 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit every single month. Now guys, we are currently at 6,644 active listings. Now let's go to our orders. I believe we had around 11 orders that came in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. They're valued at 25.60 plus the $20, 25.60 plus the $20, 60.40 plus the $20, 31.60, 17.60 plus the $20, 22.60 plus the $20, 31.60, 63.60 plus the $20, 21.60, and 29.50 plus the $20, 17.50. Okay, I believe that we have successfully hit very close to $100 profit today, if not $100, but we'll be calculating that later on. Guess what? Because we're scaling and we're pruning. That's why my method works, because I'm showing you guys alive how the eBay's algorithm work every single day. So let's go to our performance tab. Let's check our traffic. As you can see, man, we're at 7.5 million impressions. That is crazy. That's in the last 30 days. Imagine having 6,000 products and showing it to 7.5 million people. That's exactly why this business model works, because you're showing it to so many people. Imagine you've had an iPhone, right? And then you go around and showing it to people and asking 7.5 million people to purchase this. Best bet you believe one of the people are going to need that and they're going to purchase it. That's how this business works. That's exactly why the dropshipping method works, because you are showing it to a lot of volume. Now, we had 110 sales in the last 30 days, minus the 7 that came in the next day. We are looking at around 103 sales. Now, 7.5 million impressions have converted into 9,658 listing views, followed by 0.1% click-through rate. And that has converted into 1.1% conversion rate. Now, everything is looking amazing. Our metrics are getting better and better every day. We're doing amazing. Let's go and have a look at our impressions. We are very close to 600,000 impressions in one day. Let's go to our listing view, and we are at very close to 1,000 listing views. Let's go to our quantity sold. You can see that 7 of them came from promoted and 3 of them came from organic. Now, I can see very clear that it was 11 sales. I'm not sure why there's a delay with quantity sold metrics, but we did end up getting 11 sales, so that's all good. Now, man, everything is looking amazing. We are making sales every single day, and we hit our biggest earning day, which was today. I'm very excited to keep pushing this further. I'm going to be showing an exactly step-by-step blueprint, taking this account and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit every single month. I'm going to be uploading daily videos. If you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe. If you have any questions, you can comment, come into our WhatsApp group. And as a reminder, I offer 2 methods. One of them is I will teach you how to do this personally so you can replicate my success. The second method is I can do this for you. You can sign up for my agency model where I will be generating you all passive income. And if you want to learn more about it, join in our WhatsApp group and I'll tell you exactly what to do. I'll tell you how the business model works. I'm very sure you're going to love it. Hey man, alternatively, you can book in a call down there in the descriptions. I'll be attaching my calendar link there. Feel free to book in a call. I will see you guys in the next upcoming video. Take care of yourself.